मैं ये बुक मार्क कर रहा हूँ आपके लिए, ठीक है? मतलब ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा। तो जब भी ऑन करना रहेगा तो यहाँ पर प्रेस करो, ठीक है? ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगा। स्क्रीन सेटअप क्या किया था, क्या है उसके अंदर कुछ याद है? हो गया?
नहीं वो सेटिंग
सेटअप हो जाता है। सेटअप इसकी सेटिंग में जाके किया आप कम लैपटॉप की सेटिंग
लैपटॉप की सेटिंग
लैपटॉप की सेटिंग रखिए।
ठीक है हो गया ना बस ये वीक छोड़ के नेक्स्ट वीक आपके एग्जामिनेशन होने सो मेक योरसेल्फ रेडी फॉर दैट थोड़ा सा पढ़ो हो गया देखा है कि नहीं बच सकते हो ओके चलिए थैंक यू so guys shall we start so we have 1 2 3 4 so we will obey this command we don't किया इट्स वेरी स्लो बहुत अनीशा किरण am audible Ragini
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so we are starting with the like operators okay my suggestion do not write the code okay take the code from the drive log into a drive okay make sure you have access go to SQL folder go to the folder of code
Sir, I have connected through mobile. I just gave for repair my laptop.
actually you don't have okay you again given for the repairing or you
Yes,
given
sir. It totally hanged up. It's not even on.
मैडम उसको रिपेयर नहीं करना है your money will be wasted you have to update SSD that is the only solution
Okay.
you keep on repairing it will keep you costing more money और वो लैपटॉप रिपेयर नहीं वो लैपटॉप खराब नहीं है आपका लैपटॉप इज स्लो
Okay.
okay for example think like this way your capacity is to understand one book you cannot understand entire library
Okay.
but the point that we cannot say you're wrong we have to improve you we have to
Okay.
increase your memory power that you have to do for yourself in your laptop okay
Okay, sir.
so do not do any changes in your laptop is fine just update SSD
Okay,
otherwise
sir.
it will cost you more guys we will do a small revision first what we have done okay so let's start with the topic first what we have done guys anyone what is the meaning of select choose
Choose, sir.
star means
All.
rows and columns
Yes, sir.
after from what we write
From customers. Customers is table.
or we can
From
say
table.
what is the meaning of distinct
Unique.
values what is the use of where
In condition.
conditions where we write country is equal to UK like this
Yes.
if I need two columns what should be the query Anisha
Select the
column one name
column 1 name and column 2.
from
And will be writing now, sir?
and it's used when we write condition now we're just taking a subset now
Okay.
then we studied something known as AND function we have done OR functions we have done not functions
In also,
When-
sir.
and in function also good
Mhm.
when to use in function
For default.
no we can say multiple condition on one column like say I need data of 4 countries UK US Germany and so on that time we use in instead of writing multiple equal to
Okay.
what is the use of AND
For two right values.
Perfect.
And-
For the two condition is true, then only I will get the answer of and.
And
What is the use of or?
one is correct or one is wrong. Will
And
be
one of
none.
the correct, we get answer as or. Not means
Does not include.
does not include that. Perfect. Exclude that or accept that. Then we done basic some inbuilt aggregation function. If you remember, we done some
Max,
perfect math,
average,
mean,
count,
average,
count.
sum. These are all inbuilt function which we use for analysis.
Okay.
These are basic guys. Till here,
Yes, sir.
till here only we have done. Okay. We are further moving now into the part of second day, which is your like function. Okay. Nobody have to write the code. You have already given the code for you. Okay. I'll keep on explaining one by one. Okay. My suggestion, Anisha, Ragini, or any students, make yourself see the recording of union and joins.
Okay, sir.
Look at by yourself. If you have any question, by default, I'm teaching you again in Python.
Okay, sir.
If you do one time in SQL, okay, by yourself also, you will understand the recording. It's very simple.
Okay,
If
sir.
you're not able to understand, it's okay. We will do in Python again.
Okay, sir.
Guys, tomorrow onwards, we will be starting on Python. So my suggestion, everyone should install Anaconda and come. For some people, we have done in classroom only. Wait, you have Anaconda? Anaconda installed for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Online students, Ragini, Kiran,
Yes,
Pallab.
sir. I have one question.
Yes,
Yes,
Ragini?
sir.
Install Python as well.
Yes, we require Python also.
Okay.
Shubham, you have installed?
Yes, yes, sir.
Vallabh,
Yes, sir.
Yogesh,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yogesh, where there's one more MSc students next to you now.
Huh. Yes,
Name
sir.
is? Your friend name, Yogesh?
Shubham.
Shubham. Okay. Guys, tomorrow you all have to come for offline, okay? Today is okay, manageable. But tomorrow onwards, you have to come for offline.
Okay, sir.
People who are online, it's okay. But people who came only for one day to the online, they have to come to offline. Ragini, Vallabh, you may carry on. It depends upon your availability. The students who are regularly offline, come back to the class offline tomorrow onwards.
Yes, sir.
So guys, we'll work on the like operators now. Okay. So I say select staff from customers. Guys, one more thing, I just remaining to update you. I think here I have update to you. Approximate 16 of April, you will have a test. Final test of SQL on your LMS portal taken by Marticus management people. This will count a marks for you. Till you're clear.
Sir, LMS page is not working for us.
You will be getting access for that, don't worry. Before
Okay.
that.
Okay.
But make sure you study by all the questionnaire, everything.
Sir, is there test tomorrow, practice test or something?
Practice case is also available on LMS. I will share on your drive if you want. Once again, I'm sharing now.
Sir, I have sent you my mail ID.
I have given access to you.
Okay.
Your batch is 31, correct?
Yes, sir.
Once again, I'm giving you access again. Let me see outside. Okay. Access given to you. Okay, code only. Code 1 assignment setup. Three, four. Okay, I will upload the question on the drive for you along with data set.
Okay, sir.
I think I may have also. No, it will be practice for you. 16 will be the questionnaire we will given from the management to you. We will give you any questions. Perfect. Upload. I have given you practice in class practice exercise for you, which is questionnaire for you, and
Okay,
data set. Once again, I will upload data set also, so that you don't have to worry next time. Marks will be there.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt. Based on questions like how we can write the program, like insert, drop, and the functions you explained in the question, will they mention?
No, they will not mention. They
So,
will
sir,
just
how?
give. That is the main task. Huh? You have to practice that.
Okay.
So tomorrow when you go to office, they will say you write the code and give me. They will just give you the objective, what you have to do. They never give you the proper systematic way.
Okay, sir.
I make a folder called practice. Over here. I found it. I will upload over there. I've given the question for the practice. Do practice, solve, and come. It will take 1 week time. Going back to the code, guys. Okay. Explain the code on screen. Here I have written select staff from customers. Okay. Where if you see there's a column name called contact name. Okay. What is the first name of the customer? First name. Second name. Anna, Antonio, Thomas, and so on. What is the first alphabet of Maria?
M,
For Anna,
A.
A. So we are going to use a function over here. Select star from customer. I believe everyone understands this query. Select star from customer now. Anisha, for you also.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay. I will just explain where I'm writing a condition. Contact name like. Like works for alphabetical wise. I say A. Starting before percentage means start with. Give me all the names with starting with name A. Clear, clear. If you can see the output over here. Anisha, you can verify I'm doing for you. All the names are coming with A. Can you see over here?
Yes, sir.
Before percentage means start.
So with
After
A.
percent means end.
End with A.
I say select star from customers where contact name end with A. Do we have ending A guys over here if you see? Ending is different alphabet.
Yes, sir.
If
Different
you
alphabet.
want ending with A, we write after percentage. Can you see all the contact name is ending with A now? Clear, easy. Next. I say select star from customer where contact name like before percentage means
End with A.
if I write anything before percentage,
End, sir.
मैडम परसेंटेज से पहले लिखा है तो उसका मतलब क्या है? Start.
Start.
After percentage end.
End.
If I write before percentage B, what is the meaning of this? So give me all the names starting with B. If I write percentage and B, all the names ending with B. If I write percentage and percentage, before person is the start and after person is end. This is your start, this is your end. If I write OR, so anywhere in between starting and ending, wherever we have OR, give me that customer's name. If you can see wherever there is an OR, all customer names are coming for you. OR, OR. Anywhere, any position we have OR, that name will come for you. Clear? We move forward. Anyone can explain this one? Before percent means? Before percentage means? Start with. I'm starting with R. Okay. And after, before R, there can be any letter, but the second letter has to be R. It's before percentage means starting first letter can be anything. Second letter has to be R for the customer. Done this. Next one. Anyone can explain this query, please? Anisha can explain this query.
So,
Start with
sir,
A. If I say this way, what is happening? Anisha?
only starting with A names will be displayed, sir.
Okay. If I write underscore, the second letter can be anything and third letter can be anything.
Anything.
Can you explain me this one?
A percentage.
Before percentage,
A is there, so
A. Start with A,
A end with O.
end with O. Perfect. So all these customers will come for you. You can verify the name. I will jump for you. See, they are starting with A and ending with O. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
If I say not means
Except A, other names.
say all other customers. I don't need a customer name starting with A, except A, give me others. What is the meaning of this? Yes, explain. Anyone? We have done prior also. No? So where city name starting with BER first, and after that we can have anything, but the first letter has to be BER. You can have one alphabet, we can have two alphabet also possible. Anything over here? What we saying this one? On this code on screen. What this code say? In between anywhere we should have ES. Perfect. Anyone can explain this one? First letter can be anything, but the next 5 letter has to be ON, DON. Now we'll move to in operator, guys. We have done prior this in also. I will repeat again. I say select star from customer where country in. So when should we use in, guys? When we have multiple condition on one column. So here we say country, take data, Germany, France, and UK. So we're talking about 3 countries data. Clear, Cleo? What is the meaning of second query, Anisha?
So except Germany, France, and UK, other countries would be visible from the customers table.
Perfect. Clear, everyone? Let's move forward to the next one on screen. I say select distinct countries from supplier. So we are getting all the countries name, means all unique countries name. That country name I will search in customers. But the point, the output of supplier become input for customer. Got the point? This is called a some part of subquery. So I'm getting 69 rows. So means for all the suppliers where we have 16 suppliers and 16 supplier have given service to 69 customers. Clear?
Sir, will you please repeat once?
I say select distinct from supplier.
Okay.
So I get this as an output. Okay.
Okay.
All this Australia, Brazil will now search in this country.
Okay.
This country is present in this table.
Okay.
So here we have 16 suppliers who supply the product, and how many service customers they've given service to? 69 customers.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
Next. Here we have between operators. It says select star from product. It says give me the unit price between 50 to 60 rupees. So all the unit price is coming in same range, if you can see. I think this also we have done prior also. See all the prices within this range. Clear everyone? Unit price or odd numbers. आपको odd numbers की query लिखनी होगी. यहाँ पे odd sequence है, nothing divided by 2. You write the query odd numbers like this way. ODDS ऐसा कोई function नहीं available है. Anything which does not give you a divide by 2, that's become for you as odd number. अगर आपको decimals में आंसर आ रही है, that become odd, otherwise even. Now select star from product where the unit price is not between 1 to 10 to 20. What is the meaning of this? Not between means? No. Unit
Then,
price should start from 0. Okay. Should go to 9 and should start from 20, should go to the max. 10 and 20 data will not be available. Okay. Now we'll do this, guys, break up one manner. Say select star from product. Okay. So when I run this query, select star from product, I have 77 rows. Understand this query, guys? Can you see the number of rows over here? Okay. Then I say where unit price is between 10 and 20. See, all the prices coming in same range, 10 and 20 only. See this column. Then we say not customer ID, means we don't need the ID of customer, which is 1 to 3. So this 1 to 3 will not be there. Okay, then it's sorting by unit price. Let me run this whole. Based on screen. Can I say all unit price is between 10 to 20?
yes, sir.
Can I say all the category ID don't have 1 to 3?
It doesn't have 1 to 3, sir. Other numbers are visible.
But the point, this no condition we satisfy, then we get the output. Is each.
Okay.
Shall I? Perfect. Next, we are working on date, guys. How many months data I'm fetching from you guys? Can you read and tell me?
1996. 30 years, sir.
Year is same, month is same. Only date is different now. So 1 month data.
Okay. Okay.
I say give me a data between these two duration. So I'm getting 22 rows. क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? I'll teach you. On the next, guys, moving to alias over here. We say alias for column. So we are selecting customer ID first column. And what is the name we are giving? We are assigning as ID. So customer ID को हमने क्या नाम दे दिया अभी? ID. और contact name को we just get customer, no? Fetching from customer. alias is to give the column name which you want to assign. Till you clear, guys? Any question? Next, we have there are three ways to give the column name, guys. Either write a single word. If you use too many words, either use underscore for a column name. If you want to use a space, use square bracket. I'm repeating. Either you write a single word. Okay. Either you write two words with your underscore. If you don't want underscore, you need space. You have to write square bracket. Say select customer ID and give the name as ID. And contact name ko contact person. I just change the column name. I'm assigning from customers. Clear? Same way, guys. If you want to give contact name with space, you have to write in square bracket. That's only difference. Any question, Anisha?
No, sir, understood.
Okay. Guys, if you want to save this output, which function should we use? Into will help us to save the query for you. Clear? Okay. Move to the third day query, guys. Once again. Okay. I will show you. I run select star from product. I have data Delio. Did it clear, Nisha?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt. I mean,
Yes.
again, we have used here float now, sir. I mean, we don't have any decimal digits. I mean, used here.
Let me explain it.
Okay.
Our first column name is starting with order ID. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Second column name is starting with
Product name.
second last column name. Sorry.
Last.
Discontinued. Correct. So we have
Okay.
product ID and we have discontinued. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm just adding a new column over here. And what is the name of the column I'm giving now?
Mhm.
I'm giving the column name as clear. Amount column name I'm making. Okay. And what is the meaning of float, guys? With decimal. So the data will come with decimal over here. Clear? Now clear? Anisha, clear for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll just add a column. So I say alter table. Means I'm doing changes in the table. For which column? Product.
Product.
I want to add which column?
Amount.
Data type.
Float type.
Float. Now if you see, I just added the column. Okay. What is the value are you able to see over here? Do you have any numbers in the amount?
No, it's null.
It's null. Null means
No value.
No
no
value.
value. Next. I want to update that column. I say I want to update. Update in which? Product. Which column? Amount.
Amount.
I want unit price, means stock of the phone multiply by number of stock. So this will give us update value in amount wise. We just multiplying two columns. So 18 into 39 is how much? 18 into 39. You multiply and tell me, na? 18 into how much? See, I just multiply this to column and I get answer as 702. Till you clear? So we can do, guys, we can multiply, we can do addition, we can do subtraction, we can divide, depends on you.
Okay, sir.
Next. So can you explain me, Anisha, what you're doing over here? Guys, can you explain me this one, what you have done over here? It's my question for you. Ragini, Vallabh, Yogesh, anyone?
Yeah, so here we make changes in a table called product by
Perfect.
adding the two columns, name, total quantity and order ratio, which has data type float.
Perfect. We're just adding two columns, all values has to be null for us. Okay. Now guys, I want to update two columns. I say I want to update in table call as products. I say set where unit in stock, how much I left in my stock and how much is order place. Sum of all will give me total quantity. Then I've done unit in stock divided by unit in price just to get a ratio. Clear, guys? Easy so far? Guys, one second, I'm just uploading a folder for you. Yeah, I'm going to make a folder. Yeah, I'm going to make folder. यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं बना सकता मैं folder? Clear, guys, easy. So we have done your day 4 and day 5. Okay. So I think I have teach you this now. Queries, sub-queries. Anisha, for you, you are also present that time.
Yes, sir.
So we have done basic stuff over here. I'll
So
explain you
I'm not there that time. I just want that.
your name, please. Kiran.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are there at the time of union and joins. Anyone? Not there at
Yes.
the time of joins.
No, I'm there on a union and join. I'm not there on the 5th day.
Okay. And for you, Anisha, are you there on union and joins?
Sir, I was there for union and join, sir.
So you know this part.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So if you know union and joins, I'll explain this day 5. Okay, comfortable or
So please you explain me.
which one? Day 5 will explain you. I'm asking about union and joins. Do you remember that or do you want me to repeat?
Please repeat, sir.
Okay. Just 1 second. This one student's message me. Okay. Guys, once again, I'm just uploading code and drive for you. Guys, do you know how to give access to OneDrive if already person have access? I have the access, but I'm not able to make. Do you know how to give access to me?
No.
I am not a owner. The owner will forget the password. Yeah, drive link share. I'm able to access all the folders, these 2 folders.
Sir, owner has to reset the password, sir. Until then, you can't access it. I mean, you can't change the password.
Okay. Okay. Let it be. I'll start working on this only otherwise. So you remember the password of this group? Rahul? No. You should remember I'm saying. I'm facing difficulties for these people. So let's start one by one with you only. How you understand, how much you understand union. Okay. What is the use of union? Anyone? To add data row level. Okay. So let's say here we have select star from df1 and select star from df1 have 3 rows, df2 have 2 rows. 3 plus 2 become 5. So what is the use of union all? Add data row wise and also keep duplicates. Is duplicate means if you can see over here, Nikita is repeating 2 times. So Nikita become as a duplicate for you. If you want to delete this Nikita, okay, we use the function called as union. Now if you see, we just have only union and Nikita comes only 1 time. So union all add data row wise and also keep duplicates. Union add data 1 time and remove duplicates for you. Clear? Next we have select. Same thing I've done for other replication of data. I say select 2 cities, city, country from the customers, where country is equal to Germany. I've taken 11 rows. Same thing I've taken as from supplier, I've taken Germany, which have 3 rows. So 11 plus 3 become 11 plus 3, 14. So if I use union all, I will get 14 as an answer. Okay. And if I use same thing as union, I will be getting all the unique rows. Duplicates will be deleted. I'm getting as 13 rows. Clear? Any question? Let's log into your drive. I'm uploading a folder. I'm putting a file in SQL code day 4. For everyone can download from there for everyone. Go to SQL folder, go to code and download this file. Day 4. SQL code day 4. Done, everyone. Have you opened the file? Once you're ready, I will explain the code for then. This also we have done prior. Okay. I will repeat for you once again. So I have written over here, select, which column? Country. Then I'm applying a function. Which function? Count. I want to find customer ID, which is unique. So which give us the column name as number of customers. So I'm finding from each country how many customers come. So the rules say how many variable written in select without function, same number of variable will should come in group by. Clear? Repeating, the number of variable which is without function, same name, same number of variables should come in group by default. Here, which variable is without function in select? Country. So by default, country will come in group by for you. So now if you see, it gives you the display of number of customers coming from each and every countries. So Argentina have 3 customers. Okay. Then we say Austria have 2 customers. Then Brazil have 9. So if I want to find the highest number of customers, I just sort it in descending order. Same query, I just added group by, order by. Sorting based on number of customer, descending is 3. It will give you from highest to lowest. Clear? Easy. You will get the highest number of customers come from which country? US. After that, France and Brazil, they are equal. After that, Germany. France and Germany are equal. Then we have Brazil. If I say the condition, give me the state, give me the country name which have number of customer more than 5. What should be the output? Number of customers more than 5. USA is more than 5. Obey. France, how many we have? 11 is more than 5. Germany, Brazil, UK, Spain, equal, but not more. If I say more, how many output I should get? 1 to 5. To write this condition, we use having clause. I just added having clause, having count of customer ID, it's more than 5. Clear? Now, if you see, it's come in random order. It's come in the order based on country name. But we need sorting based on number of customers. So if I want to sort, what function should I use? Which function?
Sir, ascending and descending,
Okay, the function name is order by.
ordered by, yeah,
Format is ascending and
descending.
now if you see, so this becomes easy to read. Clear? We
Yes,
move
sir.
on. Can you explain anyone what we're doing over here? Anyone can explain what we're doing in this code?
Sir, in this, we are selecting in descending order customer ID from the table and with the order with respect to the city in
Okay.
descending order.
Sorting in number of customers. So we are finding city-wise how many customers we have.
Okay.
So can I say maximum number of customers come from London? Now guys, your query remains same. If you see the below query and this query, there is no difference. Sometimes they give you top 5 cities. We just have to draw top 5 rows for which city, column, give me the number of customers, from customers, grouping based on city wise, sorting in descending order. So this will give you only top 5 rows. Clear? Easy. Can you explain me this one? Your name please, Sapnali. Can you explain this query on screen? What we're doing? Okay.
From country UK, count customer ID as
List from UK.
from UK and order by from
Okay, so we are finding city wise only for UK country. All the cities of UK, give me the number of customers. Then we are sorting in ascending order. So we have 2 cities from UK, which is London and Cowes. So Cowes has only 1 customers and London have 6 customers. Easy. Anyone can explain me this code? Anisha, can you explain this?
So, sir, I don't know about group by.
If I say select, okay, and I write, let's say city, and I say count of customer. What we have, customer ID or customer? Now you tell me, if I just run the count, what is the answer? What it will give me? How many customers we have? Let's say we have total 91 customers in our data set. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
So I just want to know at city level, how many customers we have, how many at country level. I've taken country and select. So my question, Anisha, on country column, do we apply any function? Country column पे हमने कोई function apply किया है?
Yeah, count you're saying, sir.
Country पे count है, ये customer ID पे count है.
Customer ID पे count है.
Country पे नहीं है ना?
नहीं है.
Correct. So अगर select statement में अगर जो भी number of columns name लिखते हो,
Okay.
and that column name is without function,
Okay.
that by default should come in group by.
Okay.
If I write city wise, country and city, how many are without function?
2. Country and city.
So by default in group by, I will have country and city. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So group by is to grouping and giving the output.
Okay.
Now if I say over here, I want to find select staff from ship mode. Means when you book the order, you get a shipping address.
Yes, sir.
You prefer shipping mode, either you are a prime customer or a normal customer. So I want to find how many orders have which type of ship mode.
Okay.
That question should I use?
Group by ship fare.
Perfect. Perfect answer. So here we can say If I want to sort this, what should be the function?
Order by. Descending
Descending.
orders.
Descending order. Okay.
Okay.
This will become more readable to read. We can say that maximum number of people prefer to have delivery 326.
Okay.
So clear.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition we applied? Which country data we need?
Brazil.
Brazil. And which city in Brazil? Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Only for these two countries, these two cities, come in Brazil country. Okay. Brazil country, this two city, give me the ship mode they use. Got the point? Easy. Same way, guys, can we find in India and in Mumbai and Pune city, which type of delivery method they use? Same thing you're finding for Brazil. We can check for India also. Clear. Okay. Now I've written like this way. So how many variables should come in group by? Anisha?
So,
If you see the query which I highlighted,
yes, sir.
tell me how many variables should come in group by?
Mm. 2, sir.
Which two variable? Your answer is correct. Which two variable? Ship city and
Shipyard.
Shipyard.
Yeah.
So the column which are without function, that by default will come in group by.
Okay.
Now see, select these two cities, and in this city, what type of shipment they do, how many number of employee have given the order, and what is the total cost, total amount. Fetching from order, and we're doing for specific country and specific two cities. And I'm doing group by. My condition is order has to be more than 5, and I'm sorting in descending order. Clear, easy. So here you can see when shipping country is Sao Paulo, any same answer everyone. For Sao Paulo, we have 3 type of ship mode, and these are the number of employees who have given order and their amount of money they spent. Easy. Selecting. See. यहाँ पे देखिए बोलिए, यहाँ पे देखिए बोलो, क्या सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम, फिर और क्या चाहिए हमें, नंबर ऑफ लेट्स से कस्टमर, ये क्लियर हो गया। फेच कहाँ से कर रहे हैं हम, ऑर्डर्स। अभी ग्रुप बाय करना होगा, करेक्ट? क्यों? क्योंकि 2 वेरिएबल विदाउट फंक्शन है। Clear. I'm just breaking and explaining you. Clear. So here we get city wise, ship mode they use, and number of orders, number of customers. Now I need number of customers also, and I need amount of money they spend in total amount. So number of orders which are received. Let's say Ubaid belongs to Pune city, and Ubaid is a prime customer. Ubaid given 5 orders, and Ubaid spent 1,000 rupees. That we are finding. Clear, point number one, guys. Obey, clear for you. Obey, stay
Sir,
interested.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
In this statement, from orders, we have mentioned no, sir. But in previous example, we didn't use order. Here we used it.
We use orders over there also, no? It's a table name where we have not used. See,
Okay. But sir, directly we would be getting the result, no, sir. Why we use order here? Order.
ये शिप भैया कौन से फाइल में प्रेजेंट है?
Okay. Table. Okay.
It's a table name, ना?
Yes, sir.
From के बाद table name आएगा. So
Okay.
table name you have to write by default.
Okay. Okay.
Now clear? Wait till you have clear for you. Okay. So next I'm saying we have sorted the data. Okay. So now we need data of only, just give you for all the countries, for Berlin come in Brazil. I'm asking you, London come in Brazil. London come in Brazil. London is in UK, not in Brazil. I say I need data of only specific country and specific city wise. Clear? I'm getting for only one city and for all shipping via and the number of orders and total number of customers. Clear? Then I say sorting based on descending order. No clear way. Any question? Any question? So you can think like this way. For me, means I belongs to India. And we need data of Pune and Mumbai. ये क्लियर हो गया? तो पुणे मुंबई में जो वहां के कस्टमर्स हैं वो how much, what type of ship they prefer, and how many order we received, how much money they spent. That we are finding. Okay. Clear, guys. See, take a break. 10 minutes. We'll further continue. Okay. HackerRank I inform you, no? These people are asking for some SQL test, some questionnaire for practice. Okay. So guys, just write HackerRank test SQL. Okay, shall we start? Let's write HackerRank test SQL. Open the first link. Okay. I will first explain you what this portal is about. This is external study for your reference. It is not part of LMS, not part of us. It is to make you practice more and more questions. You require questions for practice now. So you go to this portal, this link, log in your sign up with your account, okay, on screen. Let's say first I want to study basic of SQL. HackerRank SQL. On screen, let's say I want to study basic. I want to study first easy one. I want to study first. Clear your button. I want to study first aggregation. It will load for you. See, count function, sum function, average. आपको उस पर click करना है. I already have an account. I will sign in for you. One second. This will give you questionnaire. Okay. What should be the answer for this question, guys? And over here, you have to select MS SQL Server. What should be question for answer for this? City table है. Select star from
Count function where population 100 greater than 100,000.
where the population is a column name.
Column name.
Population is more than 1 lakh. What we need?
Count function.
Count.
Count
You have
city.
to, okay. You have to write semicolon to end as per the required. You just run the code. It will give you how many, count the number of cities. What do I need and what I get in output? 6. What I expected? 6. So we get an answer. Congratulations. Till you clear for point number 1. Second point, guys, give you time to make a count. Whenever you make account, when you log in, you get some rank for you. You have to make yourself rank less than 30,000. The more you practice, here is 11 lakhs. The more you practice, the better you become in SQL. All question, data, everything is given over here. Nobody will say, I don't have anything for practice. Till you clear? Now, this rank will be accepted by all the companies in the world. If your rank is less than 1,000, nobody will take your interview. They'll give you offer letter. Okay, why say less than 1,000? A big four companies of the world like Flipkart, Walmart, Amazon, not Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart, Google, Apple, Tesla. These are the people who have ranked less than 1,000. All that people work in these four companies. Okay, so this rank is recognized by all the industries, irrespective of the company you work for in India or in US or anywhere in the world. Make sure your rank has to be less than 30,000. First,
So
you
what
will finish rank.
What number?
Less than
30,000. 30,000.
Yes. The prior batch people have reached to 1 lakh. They still on study. Like you are in SQL now, you're finishing SQL. They have finished 2 weeks before, 2-3 weeks before. So they start practicing every day. Some people have reached to 1 lakh, some people have reached to 3 lakhs. So you just have to finish first what is basic, what is easy, medium, hard, and basic. Then intermediate, easy, medium, hard. I don't want you to go to advanced level. Advanced level is applicable when you are confident on basic and intermediate. Till you're clear. Any
So,
questions? on that? Yes, please.
sir, when we practice, that score will be calculated or just for the reference?
No, the score will be calculated for you.
Okay. Every time when we are practicing more, the score will be changing, right?
Yes, the score will keep on improving. The more you submit the output, the more rank you get.
Okay. Sir, is it free or we need to?
It's free. It's
Okay.
totally free.
Okay.
Okay. If, for example, if I say I select solved, basic one, easy one, I say there are multiple subdomain. You want to study for basic selection, or you want to study for advanced selection, or you want to study for aggregation, and so on. They ask everything. Or you want to do basic joint concept. Alternative queries, everything will be there, guys. So you have to practice yourself. Any teachers, any trainer, either me or anyone in the world will teach you software, will make you understand software, but will not make you practice anymore. You have to practice by yourself. We teach you, that time we practice. But the more you practice, the better you become. So SQL is not like a pen paper where you study the code. It's the programming language. So the more you write, the more you understand. Got the point? So like say some question, you don't know what is the answer. Okay, for example, I select on this. And I don't know what is the answer for this. Okay, I click on this. It's difficult for me to get the answer for this query. So what we can do is, after running this code, make sure you have to submit the code also. Once you get congratulations, you submit. My rank was 11,000, 11 lakh something. If I click on submit, my rank will keep on improving for myself. This is for tracking also. Okay. Next, if on the left hand side, over there we have something known as discussion also. There is some discussion. If you go to discussion, okay, they give you any people who have solved the query, their code will also be given for you. So this type of hint is also available, but use the hint when you found difficult. If you are able to solve, why to see the hint? Got the point?
So where is this question? I can't see
See
this
the what
question.
is one now. See over your summation problem.
I saw your drive actually, Google Drive.
No, you are on hacker rank. Can you see the screen?
No, sir, drive is
No, sir.
open.
Sorry, my mistake. I thought I am sharing a screen for you. Can you see this one? Or should I repeat?
Only the discussion part, sir.
Okay. When you are in this function, okay, I will open this one. Can you see on the left hand side we have problem, then we have summation. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Leaderboard, discussion. In discussion, you will get a solution for you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can we ask any doubts if you have related to this HackerRank to you?
This was out of the box. If I get a time, means we complete first syllabus. If we get a time, by default, I will solve a query. Don't worry.
So actually, I started this solving this 3 to 4 days prior. I
Okay.
almost completed it. Only 3 problems remaining.
How much is the rank you have now?
Let me see. 1 second. 22,483.
So he reached to 20,000. So make yourself improve. Okay. So let me complete first some part. Okay. Let's hope some students come to your track and we'll discuss with everyone. Okay. Because solving each and every person will become difficult. Okay, Vallabh? Just wait for 1 to 2 weeks. Students will come to the same level and we will do a discussion. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
If you need instant help, what you can do, you can drop the photo to me. Whatever I can guide, I will guide you on the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay,
Guys,
sir.
this
Thank
is
you.
for your practice. It is not mandatory. It is not a part of LMS, not a part of Ematicus, not a part of me. It is a part of your practice. Okay. Yeah, be the show kiya. This is my output. And this company wants. Exactly match. Here's a query I've written. Database table name. They given now. The table is city. So from city. Clear. This way you write the code, you submit your code, your rank will keep on increasing for you. The lower the rank, the better you are, guys. Okay. So the previous batch have reached close to 1 lakh. Okay. Well, you have reached 22,000 is very good. Great. Okay. Keep on practicing. Look for a discussion, not again look for, you can take the help of Google also over here because it's open source. Okay. I never practice. Okay. I never practiced this one. My rank prior was 11 lakhs, not become 10 lakhs. If you practice for 1 or 2 weeks, you will come to less than 1 lakh. But you have to practice. At the point on screen. Okay. Let's go back to the work. I'm explaining the day 5 code to you guys. This will be the last for you. After this, we will start with Python for you. So here we say we are creating our own database called as test2. So test2 is not there. We are creating by own self. Okay. I created a own database called as a test2. Instead of changing manually from here, I say use test2. Means I want to use this. Means this database is selected for me. Now in this database, I'm creating a new table called demo, in which I'm adding 5 columns: first name, gender, age, salary, and date of birth. I'm just adding 3 columns. 5 columns, sorry. And if you see the demo, we have all the names, but we have not entered any data. We just have created a table and we have column names. To add a data, we use a function called insert. So inserting into demo, and what are the values? Irfan, male, age, salary, and date of birth. Clear? The way I added Irfan, same way I will add Nikita, Diksha, Hardik, Komil, Imran, Rohini. Same way I'll add my data for you. Then I select star from demo. Any question, guys, please ask.
So, you please explain once about where character,
Here I have not used where character.
the above one, below one. Here, VAR of 20
It's for
255.
character. It's for characteristics.
Okay.
Means you have data, string data, alphabetical data.
Okay.
If I say Irfan, Irfan have how many alphabet?
5, sir.
5. Here it's become 5 byte. Okay.
Okay.
But what is the limit I'm giving you? 255.
255.
You can have any name with 255 words, max to max.
Okay.
So that is the limit set by us.
So below gender and where also it's the same thing.
Where is for only alphabetical data. Okay. And where we can use alphabet and number also.
Okay, sir.
This is for your date. I think this was easy for you. Shall I move forward, Anisha, or any question you have, please ask.
No, sir. Clear.
The next, I say drop table means I'm deleting this table. I don't need this now. I say use Northwind means I'm working on Northwind database now. Okay. I have selected select from orders where order ID is 102048. When I run this, I just delete Go for you now. Let me explain you what is the importance of Go. Okay. When I run this query, okay, I'm getting an error for you. But when I run the below query, I'm getting data of only UK. So second query is correct, but the first query is wrong. Clear with ये query जो है ना वो wrong है, error है. Error आ गया. आपको लिखना नहीं है. What we are doing over here? You say, you try. If not, I will try. Select means spelling mistake is there. What I'm getting? 10248. तो ये क्या हो गया हमारे लिए? Error है. तो आंसर्स आए क्या? नहीं. There is error. Now second one. I'm getting output. Can I say first query is wrong? Second query is right? Okay. So when I run both the query, पहले कौन सी query run होगी? First वाली. Then second one. When I selected both and I run all the queries, what happened? It stopped. The first query में error है, तो second query में हम pass on हुए क्या? नहीं. Process stops. समझाओ बेद. Okay. Now, when you have error and you want to ignore the error and move forward to the second query and run also, so we use Go. So Go means if you have error, ignore that code and move to the second one. Now, if I run this, see what happened. This is error. It's ignorable. What I'm getting output for second row. The second query will run for you. Clear? Anisha, clear for you?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So Go is used everywhere when we are running multiple codes. So here we have subquery, guys. I will not go into a depth of this. I'll select first two queries. Okay. Because already I have explained 2 times. This against me third time. I'm selecting star from this. Okay. If I say select distinct from customer ID from customers for which country? UK. It will give me all the customers ID detail. So how many customers belong from UK? 7 customers are from UK, and that customer ID I am searching in orders. So 7 customers ने कितने orders दिए? Okay, we're finding 7 customers have given how many orders? I'm getting as 56. The 7 customers from UK have given 56 orders. Clear? Any question? Anisha, clear for you this one?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. I'll move forward next one. Can you explain with this? Any one person? First explain this half query. Anisha, can you try?
Sir, we have to select default values here. I mean, using distinct
Okay.
and only. Sorry, sir.
For which country?
Poland
Poland. Which we are working for Poland country. And for which table name?
orders,
Yes. And what I need?
default values. I mean,
Order ID.
distinct.
Distinct order ID. So
Yeah.
when you give the order in Amazon, you get some order ID.
Yes.
So I just need order ID of Poland country. Till you're clear.
Yes, sir.
On this order ID, we'll search in order details. वहां पे search करेगा. What it will create for you? Which order have paid how much total amount of cost and how many product he purchased. If I say I go to the bhaji stall, I say give me methi, give me palak, give me cauliflower and so on. So 3 products, 1 order. Same way I'm finding on which order ID, how much money I spent and how many product I purchased. So my question, should I use group by over here or not? How many are without function?
Yes, sir. We have to use group by
For which variable?
ship
On order ID.
order
Order.
ID. Yeah.
The point easy. For Poland customers who have given the order, I need to find from Poland how many is their amount of money they spent and how many products they purchase from there. That we are finding.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Like you explained in ship country would be the variable. So here also go by ship country should come. No?
Yeah. You speak it out. Yes. Sir.
So,
Yes. Sir. I'm listening. A question. Can you repeat again?
sir, previously in example of group by, we have used ship country as a variable, right?
It's a
So-
variable. Only.
So here, why we use order ID as
This query give you what? First, tell me that. The thing which I've done a circle. This give you what?
it gives Poland's ship country from the order ID.
तो ये सारी हमें ऑर्डर आईडीज देंगे कि पोलैंड कंट्री से कितने ऑर्डर्स पास हुए. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अब ये ऑर्डर आईडीज में आई नीड टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी मनी दे स्पेंड एंड हाउ मच ऑर्डर दे गिवन.
Okay.
First we find select distinct order ID. So this will only give me order IDs
Okay.
from orders for which country? Poland countries.
Poland.
We are finding Poland country से कितने orders मिले. So here we say from Poland we receive how many orders?
7.
7 orders. And this 7 orders has spent how much amount of money? What is the first order ID?
10374, sir.
Okay. How much money he spent
459.
and how many product he purchased?
2.
2. मतलब इसने 2 प्रोडक्ट खरीदे और स्पेंड किया 259 रुपीस and this is the
Okay.
order ID.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy or difficult?
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Okay. Same way, like think like yourself. Can you purchase 2 products from Amazon on same day?
Yes, sir.
So you have taken mobile phone and you have taken a laptop. Okay. So how many product you have? 2. Mobile phone you spend 10,000 and laptop you spend 1 lakh. How much money you spend? So 1.10 lakhs, 1 lakh 10,000 is your amount of money you spend. And how much product you purchase? 2. And you get order ID 1430. Same thing we find over here. For this order, how many product he purchased and how much money he spent. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So we shall move to Python now.
Sir, tomorrow, please.
Tomorrow you want?
Hmm.
Okay. The students, what is your opinion? Heavy for day? It's your opinion. If you feel like heavy, we can stop. I'd never force students.
Because sir, today we have learned new things, no, sir. So
Okay.
we just want to revise.
Okay. So I'll give you 5-10 minutes. Look at the topic, whatever we have revised today. Any question you have, ask and clear the doubts. Because tomorrow onwards, I'm starting Python. I will never come back to SQL again.
Okay, sir.
Query, I will solve you, but I will not teach you SQL again. Because it will be just, we are just giving more times learning same thing. Which does not make any effective for you. Okay. So take 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Look at all the codes of today's. Any query, please ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any questions?
So
Yes, Anisha.
I've just gone to the queries, sir. They're very easy to understand, but by seeing the question, how will be guessing that this is the way you need to use, like for where characters, order
That
by
is-
or.
That you have to understand by reading. There is no, I can say, FIUs over here. Okay. I'll show you this query. What you will suggest to me? Can you read this question?
Query total population city. Yes, sir. Select star. Sorry, from not from all. It requires only city. Select from city.
City is a table name.
Okay.
Total population, and population is a column name.
Okay.
The total, how we get total? Can we do sum?
Okay.
Agree or not?
Agree, sir.
What is the
Don't
table?
we use select from? Don't we use like that?
Which one?
Like starting select from.
मैडम क्वेश्चन पढ़िए मैडम. क्वेरी क्या चाहिए? टोटल. टोटल कैसे फाइंड करोगे कोई चीज का?
From.
सम आ गया.
Yes, sir.
टोटल किसका करना है?
Population. Yeah.
पॉपुलेशन क्या है हमारे लिए?
Number.
कॉलम है. कॉलम क्या है? वो नंबर्स है.
Yes, sir.
नंबर्स का सम हो जाएगा.
Okay.
ओके. टेबल का नाम क्या है?
City.
तो मैंने फ्रॉम सिटी लिख दिया.
Yes, sir.
फॉर विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट वी नीड?
California.
So do we have district column?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the query after this? अगर मुझे सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में से सिर्फ कैलिफोर्निया चाहिए तो क्या लिखना होगा? हो जाएगा ऐसे में?
Okay.
Yes or no? I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
हम ऐसे लिखते ना, from country equal to UK, then we get UK data.
Yes, sir.
See, I read the query, I run the query, and successful.
Yes, sir.
So just make your account on HackerRank for SQL and start preparation.
Okay, sir.
Any other question?
No, sir. My question is like how to identify in the question, like use. This is very simple in question it's mentioned, but few of the questions like
First
name
start
mention
with the
karte.
simple one. First start with the
Yeah.
simple. Start with basic.
Okay.
Start with easy. First, make your brain understand how to read and relate.
Okay.
If you are able to relate the easy query, then keep on increasing your level from basic to medium,
Okay.
from easy to medium,
Okay.
like this way.
Sorry, sir. I didn't see the options here.
Can
I
you see
thought directly it will be coming.
Can you see here we have basic SQL.
Yes, sir.
You have difficulty level.
Okay.
First select all easy,
Okay.
then go for all medium.
Okay.
Then they also give it subtopic wise. What do you
Okay.
want to learn?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Do this one by one, become easy for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Anything else you need?
No, sir. My end clear.
Okay. Thank you. If clear online students, you can sign out. I'll clear some query for offline students.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ragini?
Are we done for the day or are
Yes,
you
we
going
are done. No, we are done for the day.
Okay,
If you
thank you.
have no query, I'm done for the day.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yogesh, done for the day. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.